The Thirsty Crow. On a hot summer day, a crow suffering from thirst was flying around in search of water. He flew around for a while, but to no avail. He kept flying until he finally found a pitcher. He excitedly flew atop the pitcher and sat down. He peeked in, and at last he spotted water. But to his disappointment, the water was only at the bottom of the pitcher. He tried, but his little beak could not reach it. But he didn't give up. He set off again and looked around. Just near the pitcher was a pile of stones. An idea came into the crow's mind. He, one at a time, picked up the small stones and dropped them into the pitcher. 1 stone, 2 stone, 3 stones. He continued to drop them until the water finally reached the top. He drank until his thirst was quenched and he flew away happily. Moral of the story: if we have willingness and determination, anything can be achieved.